How's it going, everyone? This is Charlie from Brooklyn Speed. This is our CB500F that we built for our client. We pretty much restored it, a few tweaks, mostly original. The bike was painted in a custom green, I believe Ford color, and it's a 1972 CB500F with a rebuilt carbs, new tires, new chain, new battery. We have an aluminum handlebar, and we adjusted the throttle cable for it as well, so there's no extra play. Some bullet style turn signals that kind of look a bit more cleaner, and rebuilt the fork seals, brakes. These master cylinders have been also rebuilt. Gas tank inside is clean. Has coating in it, so that protects it from rust. The gas cap is new. It's currently at 10,500 or so miles. It has a reproduction Honda seat. I think this thing is like around $350. We have an LED taillight. What else? All these side covers are intact. We made sure there was no breaks in them. New petcock and new fuel lines. Spark plugs are new. We tested the cylinders. The cylinder compression is between 145 and 150 across the board, so that's healthy as well. What else? Yeah, I mean, she's a runner. There's not much really going on with it. There's currently I have one mirror here. You can probably put another one or a bar end mirror. It's up to you, but all the systems work. Let's start it again. Cold bike. Starts right away without choke. Has 4x2 exhaust. So this bike, again, as we said, we built it for a client, and it probably has 50 miles since the rebuilt, the most I would say. But the owner wants to sell it due to changes in life and career. So this one got to go, unfortunately, to a new home. We went over everything. Calipers rebuilt, forks, seals, tires, batteries. As I said, it's ready to roll. It's ready to do the miles. So I'm hoping someone can really enjoy this. Yeah, send us a message, send us an email. Let me know what you think, and then happy to have a conversation about this bike. Thanks.